I am Professor Konkani, Principal of Vidyavikas Mandal, Sri DAMODAR College of Commerce and Economics, Madgaon. The college, in association with the Directorate of Higher Education, has conducted a few activities as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. On Saturday, that was the 13th, the NSS unit observed iconically where they took out a rally with students creating awareness along the way about Har Ghar Tiranga, where they were encouraging passers-by, shopkeepers, etc. to hoist the national flag at their homes. The rally ended at Loya Maidan in Madgaon, where the students all gathered and raised slogans about Azadi and about the icon that they had come to commemorate. Today, on 15th August, after the flag hoisting, the NCC units put up a small skit, following which the women's set also had a prize distribution about an event that they had conducted for schools, which was celebrating the unsung women martyrs of the Indian freedom movement. After that, the students and some teachers took part in the Freedom Run. This run was organized by the Department of Physical Education and Sports, the NSS unit.
Today, as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we have organized a series of activities. We have organized the Freedom Run. The NSS unit, NCC unit and Department of Physical Education in collaboration with Director of Higher Education, Government of Goa, have organized the Freedom Run. So the details of the Freedom Run will be provided to you by our Sports Director, Ajinkya Kuttarkar.
So Freedom Run, we started from the Damodar College. So we went from Khariban Bridge up to Maxon Store and we returned from there. The total number of kilometers covered under Freedom Runs around was 2 kilometers. The importance of Freedom Run is it helps you to develop physical fitness and health.